And what's up, guys? You're watching another video. We are here in Monterey, guys. We're here for Car Week. It was a super last minute trip. Not even 24 hours ago, I wasn't even sure if I was coming or not. And my boy Andrew kind of convinced me to come. So many people have been asking if I'm coming to Car Week or not. So I was like, you know what? I have to go. I think it's only right for me to go. I'm gonna be the only YouTuber not there if I don't go. Every YouTuber's out here, by the way. Daily Gym Exotics, Shmi, Vehicle Versions. So many crazy big YouTubers out here. And also everybody in the car scene is out here too. So even if I did stay at home, there's nothing happening back in LA, guys. There's no car meets, there's no car shows, because everybody is here in Monterey for Car Week. I've been seeing everyone's stories and there's tons of sick cars. Millions and millions and millions of dollars of cars. But we finally just made it here after like a 5-hour drive. We're here with the guys from Tech. They brought the Porsche out. They brought the G80 out. These things are beautiful. This one's wrapped in Tech, and this is actually wrapped, if you want to say, or PPF'd in their new PPF film. And Tech made a PPF with color in it, guys. So usually PPF is clear and it protects your paint, but they made a colored PPF. So not only can you change your color, but you can also protect your paint underneath even better than wrap, which is pretty crazy. And then over here is like the first hypercar that we're about to see. The first $1 million car that we're about to see right now. Check this thing out. Oh my God. It's a freaking pink F40. You guys have seen this in my blog before, or on the internet. You guys probably seen it all over Instagram. This thing is sick. A F40 wrapped in pink. Also a Tech. Look at the wheels. So fire. I don't know how they wrap this. How'd they do that? Definitely not an easy car to wrap. The crazy exhaust on it. It's for sure gonna be a neck breaker here in Monterey Car Week. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. It's my first time ever in Monterey and my first time ever at Car Week. So I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna try to film as much content as I can. I don't even know what we're doing. We have no plans. We came out here so spontaneous, bro. We don't even have a place to stay at this moment. But I think we're gonna stay with the homie Austin from Valtronic. So we'll see who drives 5 hours and doesn't even have a place to stay. Me. I'm homeless, guys. I'll sleep in that 40. I'm down. I feel like they couldn't pick a better color. I would wrap it pink too. It already gets enough attention, but a pink one, definitely the world's first. That exhaust is beautiful. I want to hear it. That shit's crazy. That thing is crazy. Guys, get ready to see a bunch of insane cars. I heard that there's like $1 million cars driving around like they're Priuses. So sick. Alright guys, a lot of time has passed. We're about to jump in the G80 right now. This shit's sick. The whole safety car. Blue seats? Blue bucket seats. I'm gonna get a wash real quick, and we're going to this very popular street here in Monterey where a bunch of sick cars are gonna be. So we're gonna go a little car spotting tonight. We got Chafin in the Miata. My boy drove this 5 hours. More, 10 hours, right? 10 hours, yeah. We got a GTR, Hellcat. Like the main street where you see crazy cars all the time. Look at the first car we see.
Oh, we're going that way.
What is it called?
That's a Sterado.
Sterado? That is insane. It's the off-road Huracan. That's freaking insane, bro. I know. Sheesh. Is it DeLorean? Back to the Future?
Door open? There's a fucking blue car.
Whoa! Yeah! Barely got to the main street. So this road, I guess people just go up and down, show off their cars. As you can see, the YouTuber Shmi in this crazy car that we saw at the meet a while ago. That is insane, huh? It's definitely too dark. I might switch to my iPhone. Oh, there's a freaking 6x6 R8. Wow, look at the 6x6. Guys, this is ridiculous. This whole squad of G-Wagon just pulled up. We are in and out now, but I got some food, and then we're about to go drift the Miatas, bro. We got Alex Choi, we got Shmi. Got the safety car that we're driving in with Austin. Craziest thing, bro, at Car Week. You'll see Shmi's crazy, still don't know what the name is, but crazy hypercar at In-N-Out. Freaking Cullinans in front of In-N-Out. There's Urises over there. It's just ridiculous. It literally feels like a Forza lobby, I'm not gonna lie. That's the best way to describe it. Who said Nick? This was getting out the... He's getting out the car in the line. What's up, bro? How are you? How are you? I've met you before. No?
Oh my God, this is where I live, bro. I went to SoCal for Irwindale and all that, but this is where I live.
I've met you before. I'm like, what
you
the?
You have met me. I've seen you, bro. Go ahead.
I don't fit.
After this guy, he's in front of me. Go ahead. Don't worry, bro. You're in front of me already.
Don't worry about it.
Bro, you see who this is? This is FindingNick, bro. Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, don't worry about that, bro. Go ahead.
Is he for real mad?
As fuck.
Is he for real mad?
Yeah, he's mad.
There's no way he's mad. I thought he was fucking around.
Hey, bro, he's mad as fuck. Don't worry about it. Hey, bro, it's good seeing you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Real one. Bro, that guy literally got mad at him for parking in the middle. He said, you know who he is? I appreciate you, bro. That dude really got mad. Damn, this shit sounds crazy.
Electronic, just the mid-pipe. Without pipe.
Good. We're finally gonna get into some action tonight. We're gonna go swing some cars. It should be pretty lit. We still got the GTR here. We got the homie from Cali in the Beamer. Got an M2. A lot of Beamers. Chazzy Dog.
We out here, man. You know what it is.
Bro, everyone's out here, bro. Literally everyone is in Monterey right now. You got Alex Choi in the Miata. You got Chafin in the Miata too. Oh, these are my type of cars right here. Got the E90 M3. Nice, and then the M4. It would have been sick to bring my car, guys, but when I tell you the cops are strict out here, they are strict, bro. Everyone's getting pulled over. I think the cops know that there's a bunch of cars in town this week, so they got like extra cars out here trying to get tickets. So you know what? I'm gonna just be passenger with Austin in this. This thing is very fast.
It's loud, and you know what sounds good?
Valtronic.
Valtronic, baby. You heard.
I've never seen blue bucket seats. It's pretty sick. It definitely goes with like the whole livery that this car has, the safety car livery. Bro, what is going on, bro? Look at these dudes swinging the Miatas. There's no way he's doing that with the headlights too. Oh my God, Austin. Austin. It's literally like a little go-kart, bro. Oh, shit. This look gonna make me want to buy a little Miata. No way this is happening right now. There's no way, bro. No way, bro. These dudes are wilding out in the Miatas right now. I don't even know what I'm filming at this point, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. Uh-oh. I think an Aventador just pulled up. Honestly, guys, I don't even know what I filmed this trip so far. I'm telling you, it's kind of like a Forza video game, as you can tell. What is going on? Bro, it's actually SVJ GTR. No way, bro. Yeah, I really don't know what's going on, guys. This is ridiculous. It's the best way I can describe it. It's a Forza lobby. Oh my God, Alex is coming in hot, bro. Oh my God. Urus. Fire. Porsche. It's literally chaos, guys. Damn, bro, I love how much they smoke, bro. They have so much torque. am I filming? Is he about to drift around the SVJ? Oh, I'd be scared, bro. Oh my God, bro. I'd be so scared. You know, just casually drifting around $1 million car. God. What? That was so hot, bro. My face is literally on fire. Bro, it literally burned my eyes, bro. I had to turn my face. Definitely a Forza lobby, guys. Oh my God. Look at freaking STO and an SBJ.
What's up, bro? You made it.
I made it. Do it like the sickest Lambos. Just chilling. Oh, shoot. This is ridiculous. It just keeps getting crazier and crazier. What I want to know is how has the cops not came, guys? We've been here for a good like 30 minutes.
That's so far.
No cops are coming.
There's no way the cops are coming. How could they ever get
We're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Low key. Oh my God.
What's crazy is that we really have to like give an effort to keep up with these Miatas.
Yeah, these Miatas moving, bro.
I forget. Shaven goes.
It's turbo.
Oh, yeah.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.